appetite for the outdoors. I'm Chef Paul Rose and we're cooking with Carolina Cooker today. So today we are going to do drop biscuits. We're going to be using the 10.5-inch skillet. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with adding our flour to our mixing bowl here. And we're going to go ahead and add in our butter, our sugar, our onion powder and garlic powder, baking powder, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper in there, just a pinch of each. Then we're going to go ahead and work in the butter and the flour. Once we get it to where we want it, we're going to go ahead and add in our bacon. We're going to add in our cheese, this is cheddar cheese. Mix that into the flour as well. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our liquid. So we've got cream and we've got some milk. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of the bacon grease that we have from the rendered bacon we did earlier, and we're going to put it right here into our skillet. Now we're just going to take these, we're going to make little balls. So you probably want to do these in about a golf ball size. All right, so we got all our biscuits in the pan. They're ready to go in the oven. So you're going to want to put these in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. They're going to be nice and golden brown on top. It's going to look delicious. They're going to taste even better. All right, there you go. Cheddar bacon drop biscuits. I am Chef Paul Rhodes, and it doesn't matter where you're cooking, you should always have an appetite for the outdoors.